Erogenous zone of the male body. Penis. Penile stimulation significantly contribute to sexual satisfaction. Circumcision doesn't appear to decrease sensation or sexual satisfaction. So ano nga ba ang circumcision? Ang circumcision or sa Tagalog ay pagpapatuli, nag-start noong 230 BC. Sa ibang culture like Philippines, ang mga lalaki ay dapat na magpatuli para maging tunaw daw na lalaki. Ang pagpapatuli ay dapat na mangyari at dapat malinis ang proseso sa pagpapatuli, baka kasi mag-lead ng infection. Meron din tayong advantages para hindi magkaroon ng infection. Kung maaari ay dapat tuli ang mga lalaki para makaiwas ang mga babae na magkaroon ng sakit na human papillomavirus or HPV. Ang sakit ay common na sakit na pwedeng maging cancer. Next is mouth and lips. Highly sensitive, so napaka-sensitive niyan. Male lips respond to light touch, temperature, or pressure. Kissing also a release of hormones involved in intimacy or mas kilala sa love hormone. Scrotum. The scrotum is one of the men's most notable erogenous zone. Lots of nerve mean that this area is super sensitive to touch. Makikita natin ang scrotum sa may bandang huli. At hindi ito nababase kung saan mo ito pwedeng hawakan. It's up to you na lang kung paano mo ito hawakan as long as hindi ito madadamage or hindi ito masasaktan. Neck. The neck has great sensitivity to vibration, making it a prime spot for light erotic touch. Sa paghawak pa lang ng leeg ay hindi ibig sabihin na maakit mo agad ang partner mo. Nipples. While male nipples don't appear to serve any real purpose, that doesn't mean that they are totally useless. Ang nipples ng lalaki, hindi siya ganun ka-useful, pero hindi ibig sabihin na useless ito. Meron dun pati itong mga nerve in perineum. It's the area between the anus and the scrotum, which help convey sensation of sexual pleasure from genital to the brain. Makikita ito sa baba ng scrotum. Ears. Highly sensitive to touch because a high of number of sensory receptor of the skin, mapalalaki or babae, ginagawa ito. Ang ears ay napakasensitibo sa paghawak. Kadalasan nag-uusap sila about sa physical touch o di kaya yung mga nangyari. Sexual response cycle. The sexual response cycle refers to the sequence of the physical and emotional changes that occurs as a person becomes sexually aroused and participate in sexually stimulating activities, including intercourse and masturbation. William Master and Virginia Johnson used the term sexual response cycle to describe the changes that occur in the body as men and women become sexually aroused. They divided the sexual response cycle into 4 phases. Sexual response cycle refers to the sequence of physical and emotional changes that occur as a person. Ito ay cycle or stages kapag nagkakaroon ng sexual intercourse or nagsisex ang male and female. Dito si William Master and Virginia Johnson, nagbabayad sila para ma-observe kung ano-ano ang mga magaganap sa mga phases. Pero nag-decide na lang sila na silang dalawa na lang ang gumawa nito at sa kabutiang palad sila ay nagkatuluyan at meron na silang mga anak. Ano ang meron sa phase 1 o di kaya mas kilala bilang excitement phase? Beginning of sexual arousal can last from 1 minute to several hours. Maaari daw itong magtagal ng minutes or hours. Pulse rate increases, blood pressure rises, breathing quickens, and the skin show a rushy flush particularly on the chest and breast area during this phase. Nag-i-increase at tumataas ang blood pressure, tumataas ang pressure, lahat tumataas. The nipples harden and erect in both men and women. Tumitigas ang nipple ng both men and women. In men, the penis becomes erect, the skin of scrotum thickens, he begins scratching lubricating liquids, and the testes increase in size. tumitigas at lumalaki ang size ng ari ng lalaki. In women, the clitoris swell, the lips of vagina open, and the inside of vagina moisten in preparation of sexual intercourse. Sa mga babae ay nagsiswell na ang clitoris at ang labi ng ari ng babae ay bumabasa na pagkat ito na ang paghahanda sa pagtatalik. Phase 2, plateau phase. The change in the body is still continued. Nagbabago pa din ang posisyon ng ating mga katawan. Breathing becomes more rapid, heart rate increases, body temperature rises, mas lalong bibilis ang breathing natin. Tas heart rate increases, tas mas lalong umiinit ang ating mga katawan. Blood pressure increases during this stage. Tataas din ang blood pressure natin sa stage na ito. In men, the penis become more effects. The circumference of its head increases and releases few drops of fluid. Mas lalong titigas ang ari ng lalaki at may lumalabas ng mga fluids. In women, the outer part of vagina swells with increased amount of blood to the area, while the clitoris retracts under the clitoral hood. Knots remains highly sensitive at dito namumula na ang outer layer ng vagina. Phase 3, organism phase. Blood pressure, heart rate, and breathing are at highest rates with a rapid intake of oxygen. So mas lalong tumataas ang blood pressure, heart rate, tas breathing deep. Dito yung part na extreme na part. This is sudden forceful release of sexual tension. Orgasmic contraction of the muscle happen in release of the semen which contains sperm cell. Dito yung part na naglalabas ng semen ang lalaki. Men usually achieve one intense orgasm. Meaning nito, ang mga lalaki ay kaya tumagal lang kahit na isang round. In women, orgasm involves the contraction of pelvic muscle that surround the vaginal wall and can happen multiple times. Mas mabilis makabalik ang orgasm ng mga babae kaysa sa mga lalaki. So kaya after ng sexual intercourse, kailangan ng mga lalaki ang magpahinga, unlike sa mga babae na kahit ilang rounds ay kaya pa nila. Orgasm means ito yung part na extreme satisfaction. In men, rhythmic contraction of muscle at the base of penis result in the ejaculation of semen. Ito yung part na naglalabas na ang lalaki ng sperm. A rush of sex flush may appear over the entire body. So ito na yung last na phase, which is resolution phase. The body return to its normal state after orgasm. Dito babalik lahat sa normal. In men, erection is lost, the testes decrease in size, and the skin of scrotum thins again. In women, the clitoris, the color of the outer lips of vagina, and the lips of vagina return to its norm. So babalik daw sa normal din, pati din sa mga babae. Some women are capable of rapid return to the orgasm phase with the further sexual stimulation and may experience multiple orgasm. Gaya nga ng sabi ko, kaya pa ng babae ng ilang round. Men typically need recovery time after orgasm, called refraction period, during which they cannot reach orgasm again. So pagkatapos nila ay kailangan nila magpahinga ang mga lalaki kasi hindi na nila kaya pagkatapos ng intercourse. Hindi sila magkakaroon ulit ng orgasm at sana ay natutunan kayo.